This is an introduction on classification, and classification is a very large area because there's so many things that we name. All living things we're able to classify and name. Um, so I have the definition of taxonomy, and taxonomy and classification are very similar. They both mean to like put into groups and to arrange. So um, this taxonomy specifically is the science of defining groups of biological organisms on the basis of shared characteristics and giving names to those groups. So finding names for any living thing that can be put into this hierarchy of taxonomy and this naming system. It was really developed by this man named Carlos Linnaeus, and he is known as the father of taxonomy, and he was really the one to develop this system of, binomial nomenclature for naming things. It's using two names. So this is the hierarchy, the ranking order, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. So for humans, we are classified over to the right over here, and it gives you the name of each of our categories, but we only use the genus and species, so humans are known as Homo sapiens. So this is how everything is named with these two names using the names from the genus and the species. So it makes everything very specific. And so when in different languages, when you say um, dolphin, they might not, they might have another name for it, but using this classification, it should be known. It's a scientific classification hierarchy, so it won't get lost in translation if you're talking about a bottlenose dolphin versus a different type of dolphin. You can specify and have this scientific reference. Here's another visual for you. Um, it just breaks down the grizzly bear and shows you how it kind of starts out with the kingdom, and it's very broad, and then it gets more and more defined as you go down the ranking order. And so the reasons why this is important is because it makes it really easy to study this wide variety of organisms. Otherwise, people would be getting confused on what you're trying to label these things and these organisms. So it helps us get a bigger picture of life at a glance. So it shows us kind of where we've evolved from, where we've come from, and possibly where we might be going, where we might be headed. Even though that's a long ways away with evolution, but it might show us. It also helps us understand relationships with different organisms. We have similar characteristics in this, and then we're in similar, we're in the same order, but we break apart at the next level. So to see what qualifies them in that. It also serves as a base for the development of other biological sciences. So it helps advance these other areas of science, and this order helps us to really understand our ecosystems, and if similar species are in similar environments and similar biomes and ecosystems, it really helps us to develop a more well-rounded view of our world.